Hello student, last time we have discussed class 12 subject political science chapter number 18 fundamental rights. We are know the present time the constitution of India giving the 6 fundamental rights of citizen of India. Firstly, the rights of equality we are learned about, then हम इसके बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं. सेकेंड इज राइट टू फ्रीडम. सो टुडे वी आर लर्न अबाउट राइट टू फ्रीडम इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया आर्टिकल नंबर 19 to 22. 19 to 22 इन प्रोविजन ऑफ द राइट टू द फ्रीडम, यानी कि भारतीय संविधान के अनुच्छेद 19 से 22 में जो राइट टू फ्रीडम यानी स्वतंत्रता के अधिकार के बारे में बताया गया है. सो वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट इन दिस टॉपिक द आर्टिकल नंबर 19 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड 6 टाइप ऑफ फ्रीडम टू द इंडियन सिटीजन्स. इट मीन्स आर्टिकल नंबर 19 में भारतीय संविधान के द्वारा जो भारतीय नागरिकों ने 6 टाइप की फ्रीडम्स दी गई है. बिफोर the amendment number 44, the freedom of types is 7, but the type of the property is reduced. So the presently the types of freedom is only 6. First, freedom of speech and explanations. Article number 19A. It means the Constitution of India, Article number 19A, provide the provision of freedom of speech and explanations. It means the Indian citizens are to the free the speech any kind of the matter and express your opinion for the government in the freedom of press, including freedom of the press, including the fundamental rights of the speech and explanations. Second is right to assembly peaceful without arms. Article number 19B. According to the article 19B, the any person the generate the assembly but peacefully without arm, because the without arm, so the harm for the Indian citizens. So the citizens right to the peaceful assembly without arm. Third is right to for association and union. Article number 19C. In this article, any kind of the Indian citizen grouped, associate and union made freely, but the union and association not to against the Indian unity and Indian government. So we are the right to the associate and union, but is not to against the Indian policies. Fourth is right to freely move. Article number 19D. According to this article, the Constitution of India provide the fundamental right of Indian citizen. The Indian citizen are freely move all the boundary in the Indian country. यानी कि भारत में कहीं पे भी हमें आने जाने की पूरी छूट दी जाती है. Fifth is right to residence. Right to residence according to article 19E. This article provision to provided to the Indian citizens are reside anywhere of the country of the India. 6 is right to any profession. Right to any profession. The Indian citizens give to the right to obtain the any type of the profession and opportunities, but there is not to the against in the Indian society, Indian government and the safety as well. So the danger profession are not to the allow without the permission of the Indian government. So today we are discussing the right to freedom we are discussed in article number 19 the 6 type of freedom provided to the Indian Constitution for the citizen of India. First is freedom of speech and explanations, article number 19A. Second is right to assembly peaceful without arm, article number 19B. Third is right to from association and union, article number 19C. Fourth is right to freely move anywhere to the India, article number 19D. Fifth is right to residence anywhere to the Indian boundaries, article number 19E. And sixth is right to any profession, article number 19F. Next video we are discuss about article number 20, 21 and 22 related to the right of freedom of Indian citizen. Thank you.